Hello guys, today is a very exciting unboxing and first impression I will use on the face is from the brand called Little Aldine and it is their limited edition for Betty. Let me open the bag. It actually comes with a bag. I bought a set, so the bag is supposed to be like giveaways. But it's, oh, look. Any of you still remember Betty? It's been, you know, can tell your generations, but I'm sure Betty is famous enough for everyone to know. It's a very cute little bag. It's like a jean material. Look, how cute. And most importantly is actually the makeup. So these are the makeups. There are actually a set of two, then they give you two additional as a giveaways. One is the eyeshadow palette, one is the lip matte, and the other one, I think this is the eyeliner, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is the eyeliner. So they are actually as a set come with the bag. In addition, they gave you this is a handheld mirror, and this is a full size. It's the loose powder 02. Oh, I used the powder today, but anyway, let me open the handheld mirror first. The handheld mirror is fairly standard. Is with Little Aldine's brand on this is the mirror, but I have to say the whole feeling, the material they use is very good quality. Let's have a look. The loosing powder, I didn't expect they give you a full size. White and gold classic, very pretty. Today's daylight is good, it's not overly bright. Oh, I thought it was twisted. It's not. It's actually magnetic. You can just open like that and then... Interesting. It's the puff. You know what? I know I used the powder, but I just quickly try it. Obviously, I will use more often. And if it's good, I will share with you guys. Look inside. It's a smiley face. I've done the powder, so won't really see the impact of this one, but anyway, I just pile it on to see if it make it worth. Put that way. Yeah, you can't really tell. Anyway, I use it next time. Okay, that's back to the main three items. I open them all. This is the eyeshadow palette. Oh, this way around. Oh, so cute. To be honest, I didn't expect how sleek this palette is. It's like jeans material surface, and look, very thin. Very, very cute. Oh, look at here. Can you guys see the covering of Betty? How cute it is. It's certainly not like a common neutral color set. Certainly not. It's more cougar. Let me do the swatches. The powder is fine and powdery. Like you touch is like dry powder, but very, very smooth. It's you feel like a touch a baked setting powder, that feel. For the Betty, this is literally a print. See? Once you smudge out, it disappeared. Oh, that's a pity. The pigmentation is really good. I go on this side a little bit. It shows better color. It was too bright to actually show the true color, so I changed it to indoor lighting. Look at the shimmer color, is so sparkle and it's so nice. Did I just say today's lighting is good? I really like the packaging of this liquid lipstick or lip matte. Look. And here it's like being broken, like something sharp and knocked in, and actually shows the color of the actual liquid lipstick. Very, very pretty, unique and different. Very good weight when you touch the surface. Good quality, good quality. The formulation is literally just like a lip mud. It's very similar, like I haven't tried on the lip, but it just from the swatches perspective, it's a similar formulation like Flower Nose, the chocolate one. It is a apricot, earthy, nude, more warm tone, little bit of coral based color. I like this color. Is this color going to be back on trend? Because it seems a lot of brands, at least Chinese brand like FLORASIS as well, has introduced a lot of those muddy, earthy apricot color. And this is actually a liquid eyeliner. I thought it's a... Oh! I thought it was a gel, but it's not. It's a liquid eyeliner. Standard black color, and that's going to use on the eyes. It seems dry very quickly and become a matte. Oh, smudge approved, certainly. Okay, in terms of the eye look today, just going to try out the blendability, the powder performance actually showing on the eyes. So I'm not going to like show the full process, going to give you guys just a fast forward, and we talk about this right after. Based on first impression, I think there are pros and cons. The base color, more apricot, earthy brown color. Look, the Betty's mark hasn't disappeared. I thought it was disappeared after a smudge it. It's actually still remained in there, which is very cute. This color, I personally feel I really like it. I thought this once applied on the eyelid could look a little bit too muddy yellowy. It actually not. It's actually a very nice earthy based color. In terms of this ashy grey blue, and from today's experience, I feel the pigment on the eyes is slightly lighter than the swatches on the hand. I think to really get the color showing on the eyelid, you probably need to do cut crease. So you need to use concealers to really cover the area you want to apply this color. And then you actually see more blue showing rather than ash grey. Let me zoom you in. You see the hint blue, you know, it's more blue based, but it's more like grey showing. The darkest color is great. It's very smooth pigmentation. You can wing out, you can define the eyes. The dark blue color is really, really good. Navy blue, dark blue. The glitter is actually a surprise, but pros and cons surprise. The great surprising is the color itself. Originally went down these swatches, I thought it was more towards the silver, like a diamond sparkle silver. But when you actually apply on the eyes, it has like purple green reflection. So it's like multiple tones on the glitter itself. It made the sparkle look so eye-catching. Very, very good. Can you guys show here? Can you guys see here? If you go for clubbing oh, this color will be the color on the night. But on the downside is there are so much fallout. There are so much fallout. So I would highly recommend that to bake the under eye area, or you do the foundation after the eye look to get proper clean. Otherwise, I don't know whether you guys still can see. There are so many fallouts here. I've cleaned with puff, but still quite a lot over there. Besides, from the blendability's perspective, this main color, the grey blue one, is a little bit patchy. But as I only used the first time, so I wasn't sure whether because of the brush or I should actually apply a little bit of eye primer. Alternatively, if this one would look smoother when it's a cut crease. So I still need to work with this one. This is a little bit patchy, especially when you try to blending out towards, you know, the end of your brow. This one, it just seems on this side of the eye is better, but on this side is a little bit difficult to get it even. So overall, I feel, based on first impression, okay, this is certainly not for beginners. Please, if you just start your makeup, I know you may appreciate the colors, but it needs a little bit of mature technique on your blending ability. So if you're beginners, probably put a question mark on that. But if you are a cool style girl and you like this type of colors, is worth to try. Little Alding, the price line is really good. I put over here in terms of how much I actually paid for the entire package. Little Alding is another growing Chinese makeup brand. Certainly watch out the space. Personally feel the quality perspective and the whole design of this brand, there is a good potential. Very, very good potential. So watch out the space. Lastly, let's try the beautiful lip mud. Oh. Oh, my little one coming again. Got to be fast. Anyway, the color I think is really, really pretty. The color is certainly my cup of tea. It's very cool style, but it's wearable because those colors, sometimes we need to be careful, is when you wear on the face, it looks too like a witch rather than looks normal in a way, daily wearable. This color certainly goes with today's makeup. It's a very, very pretty brown apricot muddy color. It's very, very nice. However, from the formulations perspective, this one is similar like the flower nose chocolate one. Once you get a little bit thicker layer, it has small lumps. Let me show you. Especially see over here. I'm not sure whether you guys can see. I hope you can. There are like a very tiny small lumps there. And as you can tell, it doesn't smoothen out your lip lines, but it's evenly spread it out. It doesn't sink into it. Let me quickly swatch Little Alding one with the flower nose one. This is Little Alding, this is a flower nose. If you look into the details, can you see the little lumps? And then you also see it on here, on the Little Alding one. The formulation, two of them are very, very similar. It's more like lip mud, exactly as its name itself. The pigment is really good. It can cover your entire lip. Although the little lumps, it doesn't impact the performance actually. If you don't look closely from the mirror, you don't see it too obvious in a way, which is good. And it's quite lightweight. You do feel a little bit dry. It's not like a gripping dry, but you can tell it's certainly a matte finish. That's how you would feel on the lip. Lastly, forgot to mention is the liquid eyeliner. Even on first impression, I absolutely love it. First of all, is the color itself. It's black, but a matte black. High pigment matte black. With black eyeliners, we just need to be careful if it's too watery or if it has like a reflection. It won't look elegant or nice or classic on your eyes. You need to have a matte black and pure black. This one, the color is perfect. The head itself is very similar like a cast lens one. It's soft enough which is not poke your eyes, and it's also hard enough for you to wing out. And the most important is the long lasting. I think, well, I will test it out a little bit more and let you guys know. For today, I done the eyeliner first and then to curl my lashes. Normally, as you would expect, when you curl your lashes, you get a little bit close to the bottom of the lash. It will remove some of the liner. And this one, especially today, it didn't happen to it at all. My eyeliner remained perfectly well on the waterline. Very, very impressive first impression of the eyeliner. And all of them fit in perfectly. Hope you liked today's video. Have you tried the little ONDINE yet? Would you be interested in this brand? I'm not sure whether they do international shipping. I need to ask the customer service in China if they actually sell their product in some of the websites, if any of you are interested. Please do leave your comments down below if you want to see a more like a brand review about little ONDINE or any other brand. Would love to know. I know there are so many Chinese makeup brands are very much growing into international platform. So if you are interested in some of it, you don't know how it's going to be performed like, whether it's worth it or not, you want to have a quick review, always welcome to leave your message down below. I always read them all. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video.